Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. For this video, I'm going to open up another dollar bead box and bag. And in case you're new to this, the dollar bead box and bag are monthly bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to online. And they also offer sometimes some other like deals and stuff. And they also have an online store, which I have gone and bought from their online store. And it is awesome because you can buy everything for $1. But in order to do that, you have to be a member. So I recommend that you go to their website. I will leave a link for the website down there in the description bar below this video, so you can go check them out and read all the information about their monthly subscriptions. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I made a playlist for you guys, because every time I get a box, I make a tutorial or two, depending on what I can come up with and if I have enough time to do it. And I have the dollar bead box playlist, and in the playlist I have where I've opened up the boxes, and I also have the videos there that I've made, the tutorials with the stuff that I get in the box. So for this video, let's open up the box and see what's inside. So this is June's box 2018. Dollar bead box and bag. I'm going to open this one first. Wow, look at that color there. There's always a color in here that I've never seen before. Every time I open this, I'm always surprised. Look at these two. That's incredible. I've never seen a color like this. It's like the Muriel color that I've seen on the transparent beads is on this. I'll look at the paper and see. Okay, so I'm going to do the 3mm first, like I always do. So this is the 3, this is the 4. This is called Opaque Yellow Capri. It's really pretty. I haven't seen a color like this yet. That's pretty cool. But this metallic looking AB color on there kind of looks like the Crystal Muriel. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I've seen that color on transparent beads, but I've never seen it on an opaque color, and that's what it kind of looks like to me. It's pretty neat looking. I like that. The next one is Opaque White Half Silver, so that's this one here. And last month, I think I got this color in a 4mm, and now I have it in 3. And then I have Beige Opal Half Copper, which is this one here. And last month I got the 4mm in this same color, and these are awesome. I love the beige. I don't know why. It just looks cool. It's not an opaque beige. It's actually like an opal looking beige, where it's kind of milky in color. When I mean opal, I mean milky. It looks milky. And this one is the Matte Crystal AB. And I want to say Matte Crystal Copper AB. And I want to say I already got this one last month or maybe the month before in a 4mm. It's really pretty. I don't remember if I used that one or not. And this is the Opaque Yellow Capri, and it's in the different size. So the 3 and the 4. And then we have the Navy Vega Luster, which I'm thinking is this. Then there's Aqua Green Luster and Crystal Silver Line. So this is the Navy Vega Luster. This is pretty. Very pretty. And the Aqua Green Luster. Very, very pretty. Can you see it's actually two-tone? It's 2 colors in one. Those are gorgeous. Hopefully I can use that strand. And this is the Crystal Silver Line AB. Very, very pretty. I love those. And last month, when I got the dollar bead box, I made 2 rings. I made this ring here and another ring that's very, very similar to my Hugs and Kisses ring tutorial. So I called the Hugs and Kisses 2.0 because it's very similar to it. It's like an updated version of it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the box. And for some reason, I feel like it's been a really long time since I've got a dollar bead box. Maybe because I've been doing all kinds of things. Okay, here's the list. Here's the bag. I gotta get everything out of here. So I have 2 project ideas that I would like to do with the dollar bead box. But I kind of need certain size beads to do it. They're both necklace ideas. One of them is pretty easy and the other one is not, I would say, very easy, but you know, anybody could do it. But I need certain size beads to do it, and it looks like I just might be able to do it. Okay, so wow, oh my gosh, look at those skulls. Those are so cool. Those are really cool. Okay, starting at the top of the list, I'm doing the strands first, so I'll set these back. I'm looking for 3mm check fire polish matte black. So that's this one here. I don't have any of these, so these are nice to have. Very cool. And it matches my skull beads. The next one is 3mm check fire polish alabaster white, which is this one here. Very nice to have, white and black. I used to do white and black a lot in my jewelry designs. The next thing is 6mm check glass 2-hole square. These here. There is a bracelet that I designed using checkmates, and it's just one of those projects that I've sat back and I need to do a video on it. It's a really cool bracelet. I think you guys would love it. So these are jet black, but looking closely at them, they actually have stripes. Can you see the stripes on them? They're really cool looking. They're not just plain black, they actually have some stripes. Those are pretty. I love those. The next thing is 7mm check fire polish rose luster 30. So that's these here, and I absolutely love this color. I have this in a 6mm druck, and they weren't cheap. They were very pricey, and I got them from Lima Beads. So again, here is another item that you can go to the dollar bead box store and buy this for $1. If you're a member of the dollar bead box club, you can go to their store and buy this again for just $1. That is crazy. You can't get this for $1 on clearance. They're beautiful. And the next thing is 8mm MC cuts, which is machine cut, is what that stands for, MC. Check crystal, Kelly green, rainbow iris, or aqua AB. And I got aqua AB. And these are beautiful. I don't have any 8mm bicones. I don't know why. I don't buy them. I always buy 4s, 6s, and I'm trying to build my collection of 3mm. But these are very pretty, and I think that these are probably going to work for the idea that I have. So I'm excited about those. And this is 6mm check glass struck aqua. And I can never have enough check drucks. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are the best quality round bead that you can buy. They're beautiful. Now I'm on to additional items. So that's things in bags. And this here. So I am looking for a 6 through 8mm freshwater pearl silver, natural silver with crystal rhinestones. Where is that at? Oh, it's right here. It's on its side. This is very pretty. I got one of these before. I think it was the last time, but it was a bigger pearl and it was white. This one's kind of a silvery gray color. They're very pretty. So cool. You know what I've been wanting to get for a long time and haven't been able to find them in good quality? Is freshwater pearls with large holes. They're very expensive. I saw them at Hobby Lobby. I almost got them, but I was looking at them in the bag and they looked really poor quality. They just looked terrible. And they were pricey too. Okay, so after that, I am looking for a 4mm silver plated brass square chain. That's this here, and there's a foot. Whoa, this is a cool chain. I've never seen a chain like this. The links are square. That is so cool. Okay, I love this. That's really pretty. I also wonder if I can use this for my project that I have in mind. I'm looking for a 9x26mm pewter cat charm, one piece. So that is this here. This is really cute. I gotta take him out. And this looks just like my cat. I have a really skinny cat, and as much food as I feed him, canned food, dry food, he gets all that he could possibly have, he is still skinny. It looks just like my cat. I think my cat's skinny though because he has really bad anxiety problems. I have another cat that I had rescued. It came up to my door, and he's just so scared of her. That's really cute. Okay, moving on. Now I'm looking for 10mm pewter large hole slider. Antique brass. So that's probably these here. Pewter large hole slider. These are cool. So these can be put onto cord, chain. You could do strands of seed beads and put them over top of that. They're pretty neat. I like those. Moving on. Now I'm looking for 4 through 6mm cornelian chips, which are these here. These are very pretty. I like those. And they look more like nuggets to me. The chips are kind of like sharp with their edges, and these are more nuggety looking to me. Very pretty. And the next thing is 12mm jet glass turban. Ooh, so that's these. Jet black with purple iris. These are awesome. I love these beads. They're so expensive to buy these. And I don't see them all the time. Hobby Lobby has them. They're beautiful. The next thing is 5x6mm jet glass faceted bead, jet black. 10 pieces. That's these here. Yeah. So these are basically cathedral beads, just in a different shape. They're really cute. And then I'm looking for this here. This is 5x19mm Swarovski crystal column bead, 2-hole crystal astral pink, one piece. Pink. Looks orange to me. Oh, I do see some pink. It's like pink and orange. There, it looks orange, but when you take it away, it's like a pink glow going on there. That's really pretty. Pretty fancy. Wonder if I can use this for a clasp. Maybe like a toggle. I could try and see how that goes. I also think that this is cool for a veil. I don't know why. I just thought it would look neat to have like a pendant attached to this hole, and then have the string going through up there. I don't know. I just think that might be neat looking. Next thing is 0.018 inches Bead-along stringing wire, satin gold, 20 feet. That's a very gorgeous color. I love that. And the next thing is spring rings, which are these here. This is 0.7 by 8 millimeter, 100. I can never have too many of these. And I skipped this here. This is the 12 by 16 millimeter voodoo bead, matte jet black with aqua wash, 2 pieces. These are so cool. And as you guys know, I like sugar skulls. I've made rings, sugar skull rings, and bangles. They're pretty cool, so I think this would make a neat ring. That would be really neat. Because it's matte, it doesn't even look like check glass to me. It actually looks like a carved stone. Looks like a carved stone. They're really darn cute. So this is it. I think that my necklace idea that I have might work. I'm not 100% that it will, but there's some really cool things in here that I think I could make a necklace with. And I'm really going to try to use these voodoo skull beads. They're so cool, and I think they would look really neat in my necklace. So look out for my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe, make sure you click the bell button so you get notifications when I upload a new video, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching!